Hello crafty friends, I'm here to share a quick video of my new rolling cart that I just bought. It's a 4-tier rolling cart, and this is the one that Michael's carries. It's the 3, but this has 4 and it's a little taller. You can see the difference. um, and I bought this because I want this for my to be my my working rolling cart, so I can just dump everything there and always have my desk clean. um, because I'm still in the process of moving things around, like I said. So my son decided to go downstairs, so once all of his stuff is out of the room that he had upstairs, now my daughter's coming upstairs, and then all of that is gonna go in her room, and then I'm gonna have that free space to put more stuff. And that's her Barbie dollhouse that I made for her but didn't quite finish. And then that's her like a little craft area, and right there says Valerie Studio and welcome 10 because she's 10. But yep, that's her stuff. And then that I brought upstairs. It's a little damaged, but I just need to I'm not even gonna fix it. I was probably trying to maybe paint, spray paint, or even put paper to make it look just one color instead of all colors. And then here's my glue station card. This, I don't know if I've shown, I think I did, but this is charms and beads. And then this is a new addition, and all of that was here, but I needed more room, so now all my books are here because my books were just stacked up on there, on here, and now I have a little bit of room for my books. And then that is my coloring tote. I don't think I've shown that either, but I'll do just a quick around it, and then I'll go more into detail once I get my craft area up here organized. So here in this rolling cart is where I have my books. As many of you guys already know that I got recently back into reading. So the top row is like my Disney books, or kind of has like a Disney story in it. And then down there is the my English books that just like random books that have a story, I guess. And then the bottom one is all of my books that have either a Hispanic author wrote it or Hispanic character in it. So yep, that's that. And then this one is the my card of my work on projects. So on the top, I'm not gonna go really into detail. I just have the papers that I'm using, scraps. Here my photos, and then here at the bottom it's gonna go the embellishments that I'll be using, like stickers, rhinestones, beads, ribbon, and all that stuff. And then there is my projects, and down there is planner stuff. And then this one is, like I said, a lot of beads and charms. And then this one I have foam dots. I used to have that here, but I changed my mind and I like it like this better. So I have foam dots, random liquid glues, more small double-sided tape, and then craft dots. But now I know that I do not need to remove them out of the package because I was doing that before, and now it's like catching on all the dust, plus it's turning yellow, and I need to use them before. And then here I have this tool. I forgot what it's called, but you guys know what it is. And on the side I have my ATG gun and my heat gun. And then right here I have this. I bought at Target, but here's where I am keeping my magnets. You can see more down there, my magnets. And this I use zip ties to zip it, because you know how these cards have like little tiny holes. And then on here I have my Velcro, and then here I have all of my adhesive for my ATG gun. Here I have double-sided tape. Down here at the bottom, at the back, I have the score tape. This I recently bought that I kept in the bag, but the ones in the bag I bought first, and I decided to take them out of the bag, but now I'm not doing that anymore. I have this is that I bought from Joann's, and then the Dollar Tree, but I'm not removing them from their packaging anymore. And then the bottom I have my Fabri-Tac glues, extension cord, and then glue sticks for my glue guns, and then a glue stand. That's what I have there, and then that's empty. But yeah, I'm slowly getting organized, and then once I move things around, Dad is gonna come over here where I have my Cricut maker and all my Cricut stuff. So it's close to my desk, and I can just turn around and grab whatever I need and work. So yep, that is it. Little small like preview of what I'm doing and how is it going. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.